Oh, crazy. Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Come up here. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's crazy. You could drown in that.
Oh, duh.
What was that?
Duh. Sorry, but that was a little...
Stupid.
a little bit.
Oh my god. Holy maelstrom, Batman. That is intense. Wow. Feel that? Oh, that's both. I don't think there's much thinking going on there right now.
No.
My God. June 7, 2010. A day which will live in infamy. Wow. What do you think, Murphy? Wanna go swimming? Hey, wanna go swimming?